Alright, today is the day where the little green alien with one really long arm reprograms the robot lawnmower to injure me. It was not very kind of you, was it? Righto, guys and girls, I've been a really stupid boy, and yeah, so don't do what I've done. Right, time to go to the hospital. Right there.
Oh my god, you okay? Oh, look at that.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so key thing to remember, as I'm sure most aircraft pilots will tell you, especially those that release missiles, always make sure the missile switch is in the safe position. Don't accidentally turn this on when the blades are there. Otherwise that happens. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, another episode of the robot lawnmower. We need to make sure that we fit some safety skirting around the outside of this thing. Yeah, a few people have been suggesting that should happen on YouTube and various other places where this is published, and I agree with them completely. Definitely time to fit some safety skirts. Thankfully all of my fingers are intact. It was just a camera trickery, bit of a laugh. Cheers, and don't forget, rate, comment, subscribe. Cheers. Okay, so here she is in all of her wondrous glory, the robot lawnmower. This girl is really moving forward. No pun intended. So now she's got the skirt on her, help stop people from putting their fingers inside of her. A missile switch. Boom. Check her out. Okay, let's turn the blades on. Fingers. Yeah. Yep, well, actually have suddenly make the video for real. As always, don't forget to rate, comment, more importantly subscribe. Howard Taylor, Robot Lawnmower. We're on episode 22 now. Oh my god, guys, I tell you what, I can't believe what I've done. This is just terrible. Oh man, so painful.